Hi everyone, and welcome to Creative Chelsea. Today I'd like to share with you my upcoming online card class for November 2025. To sign up for this class, please use the Google form, and I will link it up here in the top right-hand corner. Or you can visit my blog for more information, and the link is below in the description box. In this class, we will be creating 5 beautiful autumn-themed handmade cards with the No-Line Watercolor Technique. These cards can be made with any fall or autumn stamp set and dies. Look for something with medium to large lined images. I am making 2 sets of cards during the class, one with the Perfectly Pears Bundle and the other with the Amber Autumn Bundle. Let's take a quick look at the cards now. Here are the cards we will be creating for this card class. Each card uses the No-Line Watercolor Technique to give a different look to your stamped images. I love how this technique gives a unique look to the images, making each card feel like a small piece of art. I hope you decide to join me. It will be an amazing class with a new technique I haven't done in a class before. You do not want to miss it. If you would like to make multiple sets of cards, I will be offering a cardstock refill kit for $15 that can be purchased along with a full kit. Get the details on my blog. I am so excited to make these cards with you. Make sure to register using the link below. This class will run from Monday, November 3rd through Friday, November 7th. We will meet each day during the week to create one of the 5 cards. This class is open to everyone, customers and demonstrators. Participants can join me live at 10 a.m. Mountain Time for the sessions during the week or can watch the replay videos at their leisure. The class fee is $35. You can register through my blog, creativechelsea.com, and the direct link is below in the description. Registration for this class closes on Sunday, October 26th. There are only a couple weeks left to register for this class, so register as soon as possible to reserve your spot. When you sign up, you will receive a class kit. This kit is only available to participants in the United States. If you live outside of the US, you can choose the tutorial only option. This kit will include watercolor paper, cardstock, card bases, and envelopes for 5 cards. No pre-cut shapes will be included. 6 6x6 Perfectly Pears Designer Series paper, 4 6x6 Autumn Toile Designer Series paper, a full pack of streak dots, and a full roll of irregular weave ribbon. If you would like to make multiple sets of cards, I will be offering a cardstock refill kit for $15 that can be purchased along with a full kit. It includes all the watercolor paper, cardstock, DSP, and envelopes to make another set of cards. It does not include the ribbon or dots. You will have enough of these items left over to make more cards. You can purchase as many of either kits as you would like. Get the details on my blog. Please note that I reserve the right to switch products based on availability. Substituted products will be of similar value and keep the integrity of the design. All of my online classes are live and you can watch them through a private Facebook group or with a private YouTube link. We will have 5 live sessions scheduled at 10 a.m. Mountain Time each day during the week. In each session, I will walk you through how to make the card for that day and show you the techniques needed. If you are able to join me live, you can ask questions and get help. These video sessions will be recorded and will be available after, so you can watch the replay at any time. I will also be providing written PDFs with step-by-step instructions for each project to everyone. If you cannot join me live, you can choose to have the private video link and the written PDF sent to your email so you can complete the projects at any time. To participate in this class and complete these cards, you will need to have these supplies. They will not be provided to you in your class kit. These items are listed in the class details on my blog. If you need to purchase any of these items, please purchase them through my online store. You can find the link in the description below. You will want one autumn-themed stamp set with coordinating dies. I recommend either the Amber Autumn bundle or the Perfectly Pears bundle. You are going to want to look for lined images that would be beautiful watercolored in these types of colors. You're also going to need some ink colors, and you can substitute the colors out for similar colors as you want. However, you are going to need a very light ink color. This is going to be the color we stamp our images in and provides us that no-line technique. So either the basic beige or a very light color is what you're looking for. You'll also want Old Olive, Pecan Pie, Petal Pink, Mossy Meadow, Cajun Craze, Early Espresso, and Darling Duckling. For the paintbrushes, I am going to be using a watercolor paintbrush. This is a round number 6, I'm guessing. So a round number 6 watercolor paintbrush. What I like about it is when it gets wet, it gives me a nice fine point tip for details. Can you use the water painters from Stampin' Up? Yes. Will it look a little different? Probably, because the brush is made out of different type of material. So just keep that in mind. You're also going to want a white gel pen. This is for some details, to add some highlights and things. I will find these items on Amazon, and I'll link these below in the description so that you have that as a reference if you want to purchase those. You're going to want a heat tool. This just speeds up the drying time because we're working with watercolor. And then because I'm working with the paintbrush, I need a little jar for my water. And so this is where I'll keep my clean water. Here are the tools and adhesives you will need. You will want your paper trimmer, take a pick tool, a bone folder, Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine with the coordinating plates, ribbon, scissors, paper snips, something to clean your stamps like your Simply Chamois. I think I already mentioned the bone folder, and of course coordinating clear blocks. For your adhesives, maybe some adhesive sheets depending on your die cuts. You'll want mini and regular Stampin' Dimensionals, as well as your favorite adhesive. You could choose between the Stampin' Seal, we have tear and tape, glue dots, and liquid glue. I am so excited for this class and hope you decide to join me. Sign up through my blog, creativechelsea.com, and the links are below in the description. Thanks so much for watching. Have a creative day. Bye.